got a pretty great turnout here tonight. Thank you everyone for coming out so much. I know we're a little unorganized and we didn't have the best prizes, but we had a lot of fun tonight.
No, they were sick.
Yes, sir.
So we all came together. Hopefully when we have jams next time we'll have more skis to give out or more prizes and things like that. But what's most important is everyone's having fun, Friday Night Lights style.
Yeah.
T-Bone, the Midwest local, one of my favorite little guys over here.
The guys!
That's
You know who won the jam tonight? Who's walking away with these fresh new skis?
Oh shit.
As Mike said, thank you all. Like, I see you guys here all the time or at Highland. You guys are the best. Thank you for supporting us. Like,
Yes, sir.
we're just a bunch of friends making skis, so it's sick you guys are hyped on it and that you showed up. The winner of the skis tonight is going to be Jalen.
This guy wasn't letting them breathe. He had tricks everywhere, but everyone ripped tonight, man. Enjoy these.
Let's go. Yes, sir.
Also, Paul, he killed it too, so he's getting a pair of snow pants. Shout out everyone!
And he's wearing his
See you at Highland next year.
Let's go. I don't have to buy any anymore.
What are they?
Yeah, thank you all!
Happy Friday!
Slip time.